If you're looking for a lightweight towable RV, hit that subscribe button because this video is the next in a series of 20 floor plans from the Hershey PA 2024 RV show. New for 2025 from Coachman is the Clipper 11,000 ROK with a show price of $15,499, weighing in at 3,765 pounds gross. This couple's camper has everything, including a wet bath. The 36 by 29 combo bath area has plenty of shelf storage nearby. This model includes an air conditioner and a propane furnace. The two 28 by 72 inch twin beds have storage underneath, and there is an overhead cabinet at the rear. The rear outside kitchen includes a 3.3 cubic foot 12 volt reefer, a slide out grill, a microwave, a 2-burner stove, a sink, and overhead cabinet storage.